Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the CatWifHat token. Ticker symbol is CWIF. Surprisingly, we have not talked about this token yet on this channel. This is a very big project. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen over there, at CatWifHat Solana. 85,900 Twitter followers. Big following there on their socials. 3,000 tweets. We're going to go over the CatWifHat token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So today is March 4th, and this token just got a brand new central exchange listing today, March 4th at 8 p.m. UTC time. This token got listed on BITMART. So this is one way you could get this token now. BITMART is not available in everybody's country, so we're going to go over a couple different ways to get this token, but you could get this token as of today by downloading BITMART from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, getting it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section on BITMART and search their ticker symbol CWIF, and then simply just buy the token. Now obviously CatWifHat was the original one. Very popular token. There's been many WIFHat tokens. I just uploaded one today. Silly WIFHat, which is the silly dragon with a hat. And then now we have, CatWifHat came out a while ago, but now it's getting these brand new central exchange listings. So obviously, dog, cat, this one's going to be very popular. So on their Twitter, which is right there, at CatWifHat Solana, you'll see that they have their webpage linked right there, CatWifHatSolana.com, and they have a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. So they have on the link tree their website, Telegram, Bird Eye chart, Dex Tools chart, so that's where you can see how the token is doing. Also, there's going to be information over there. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, same thing. And then they have BITMART, so they're also available on 2Bit, Dex Trade, and it says Bit Storage. So those are 4 different places on their link tree where you could get the token. And also, since this is a Solana token, you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Solana, and then going into the dApps and finding I guess you could get it off Bird Eye, would make sense here. It's probably available on Bird Eye, but I would assume RAYDIUM as well. If you look on Dex Tools, it says Flux Beam Pool. Let me just open this up here. And yeah, so their Soul Scan is on here. Their Soul Scan is going to give us some transactions about where people have been trading this token. It says Flux Beam on Dex Tools. I would assume it would have said RAYDIUM or Jupiter. But yeah, so I mean, that's I guess where you can get, there's a whole bunch of different places where you can get this token. They have 454,000 holders, it says. That is an insane amount of holders according to their Soul Scan here. 2 decimal places and a market cap of $423,661,000. And they started out with an initial supply, it looks like, of, that is a million, billion, trillion, 1 quadrillion tokens, and now it's down to a little bit over 999 trillion 999.9 trillion tokens, a little bit more than that. Yeah, that's an insane amount of holders on there. I don't know if a lot of that was airdrops or what, but talk about holders. Holy. So their webpage is going to have lots of information on here. So it says, yeah, they have all the info on their webpage too, how many holders, their DEX tools, charts information, stats tracking. So it says they burned 14.54%. From 50 days ago, and it says last updated March 4th, which is today. All the stats are on there. So CatWifHat on Solana, utilizing a burn fee with Solana token extensions. 4% of CWIF are automatically burned from every on-chain transaction. So yes, on their page they have links to Jupiter and RAYDIUM. I would assumed on DEX tools it would have had their RAYDIUM pool on there, but for some reason they got FluxBeam on there. But yeah, you can get this token on RAYDIUM or Jupiter by funding your, say, Phantom or Coinbase, whatever decentralized wallet with SOL, going into RAYDIUM, trading your SOL for the CatWifHat token using the contract address you could find on their webpage. Now, you may have to set slippage. I'm not sure what the taxes are. We'll have a look in a second here. And, yeah, so it says how to verify CWIF's burns. And they have that on their webpage here. You can check that out. Lots of memes. So it says here, you can watch a YouTube video about the burning, but it says for more advanced users, here is a Helios.xyz script from simply returns the result of the circulating supply that's remaining on a Google Drive document. So you can check that out. But let's go to their DEX tools chart here. So on DEX tools, they have some audits that you could review. Now, keep in mind, they are not full audits. This one has a quick intel audit. It says contract is verified, no honeypot. It says no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and it also says no other risks. So there's no warnings on their quick audits or their quick audit, but keep in mind that is not a full audit. So yeah, but I mean, this token has an insane amount of holders on here. It's kind of ridiculous here. Looks like airdrops, because if you look at, yeah, it looks like airdrops are claiming, because if you look at it, it's all the same amount. 1 million, 1 million, 1 million, 1 million. I'm going to say, like, that's an insane amount of people buying the token. So there's possible airdrops or something going on here. It doesn't specify on their webpage. But, yeah, so that has all the info on their page. But, again, not much info, really. There's NFTs on their page, though. You can check that out. It looks like there's a migration from a previous contract here. Okay. So, yeah, 2023 migration from December 26th to January 12th. CatWifHat migrated to a final contract address on Solana. Okay, so there you go. So there's a migration here. So, I mean, the holders probably came from all over the place. But then there's burn tracking on their page, and then liquidity pools, and then they have the NFT so it was airdrops. So there is airdrops on their page. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. So there you can get some NFTs, it says here, on Magic Eden as well. And yeah, then they have airdrop information. Maybe I could get some free airdrops here. On their webpage, you can check on the sidebar. There's those 3 little bars. And then you can click on that. You can connect your wallet to Magic Eden and get some NFTs. But then they also have this sidebar that says CWIF airdrops. So you click on that. That takes you over to x.com, to Twitter. So it says CatWifHat, CWIF, has had over 325 holders or airdrops, and we're still shipping and have included. So then it has a huge list. So they've airdropped all these different NFT holders. So like Saga Monkey holders, Mad Lads holders, so on and so forth. There's so many of them. Solana Genesis NFT holders, related Solana projects, DogWifHat holders. I mean, an insane amount of holders. The people who own the Jupiter token, JUP, just an insane amount of people they've airdropped. So that makes a lot of sense. and that is why they have holders, and that is why it's always a million, all these transactions. So yes, we figured it out. That is why there's an insane amount of holders. They should tell you really, like, on the, I mean, I guess you'd have to go through, there's different ways to go through it, but they should tell you, like, this is how many people bought the token as opposed to airdrops and stuff like that. It should be right at the top of the Sol scan or something, right? But anyways, popular token regardless. You can see they had 85,000 Twitter followers. Go check this token out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know what you guys think about this token down there in the comment section. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.